Today our topic is applications of stack. How to convert infix expression to corresponding to its postfix or prefix expression using stack. Today we will learn how to convert infix expression to postfix expression using stack. We already learned how to convert infix expression corresponding to its postfix expression manually. We already learned this thing in our previous video. And we also learned what is infix expression, what is postfix expression, what is prefix expression in our previous video. And also learned how priority increased means plus and minus has less priority than into and by. Exponentiation has greater priority than into and by, and bracket has topmost priority. But plus and minus have same priority. Into and by have same priority. We already learned this thing also in our previous video. Today we will learn how to convert infix expression corresponding to its postfix expression using stack. So what is infix expression? Infix expression means when there are two operand and operator is in between two operand, means A plus B. A is an operand, B is an operand, and plus is an operator in between A and B. And what is postfix expression? When it is A, B plus. So when the operator is at the last. So by the position of operator, we can say that first one is infix expression and second one is postfix expression. We already learned this thing. Today we will learn how to convert infix to postfix expression using stack. So this is an expression given. It is infix expression. Why so? See, in between two operand there is operator. In between any two operand there is one operator. So it is infix expression. You have to convert it corresponding to its postfix expression. For this you have to take one stack and one character array to store the output string, the postfix expression, the output string. See here, we start from the left hand side, scan from the left hand side. If it is operand, then just write that operand to the output string. And if it is operator, then you have to push onto the stack. Now start scanning from the left hand side. First A is operand or operator? Operand. So just write it to the output string. Then it comes plus. Plus is operator. So push it onto the stack. Then B is operand. So write it to the output string. Then comes into. Now there is one rule. If you found an operator having a lower or equal precedence over the stack top element, then you have to pop. If you found an operator having a higher precedence over the stack top element, you have to push. So the incoming operator, that is into, has higher priority than plus. See here from this chart, into has higher priority than plus. So when the incoming operator priority is higher than the stack top element is plus, incoming operator is into has higher priority than plus, then you have to push. So push into. Then it comes C. C is operand. So put it in the output string. Then comes by. Now compare. By is incoming operator. Stack top element is into. So by and into, compare by and into, same priority. If they are same priority, that is equal priority, then you have to pop. So you have to pop into and write here. I repeat, if the incoming operator priority is same with the stack top element, then pop. So pop into here. Now compare by with plus. By has greater priority than plus. See this chart, by has greater priority than plus. So you have to push by here. So the operation should be pushed by here and into goes to there. Now comes D. D is operand. So write it onto the output string. Now comes minus. Compare minus with by. Minus has less priority than by. So if it is less, then pop. So I repeat, compare minus with by. Minus has less priority than by, so you have to pop by. Now you have to compare minus with plus. They have same priority. Same priority, if it is equal priority, then also pop. So first you have to stack follows LIFO rule. So first you have to pop by, then you have to pop plus, and then you have to push minus here. I repeat, minus has less priority than by, so you have to pop by. Then minus has equal priority with plus, so you have to pop plus, then insert by here. Now it comes A. A is operand, just write it to the output string. Now comes plus. Plus with, so the incoming operator is plus and stack top element is minus. They have equal priority. Equal priority means pop. So pop minus and push plus. Then comes B. So write B onto the output string. Now your task is to till the stack becomes empty. You have to pop all the element from the stack and print it to the output screen or write it to the output screen. So only plus is there, so pop plus and print it. So our required postfix expression of the given infix expression is this. In this way, you can convert infix to postfix expression using stack. Now take another example. This example is little bit different from the previous one because this example contains this parenthesis or bracket. So how we can handle this type of expression, how we can convert this type of infix expression corresponding to its postfix expression. See, first we have to start scanning from the left hand side. So first left parenthesis come. If it is left parenthesis, it is operator, so push it onto the stack. Then A is operand, so write it to the output string. Then comes B, then comes plus. C, if the stack top element is left parenthesis, no need to check the priority, just push. I repeat, if the stack top element is left parenthesis, no need to check the priority, just push. So push plus here. Now it comes B. B is operand, so write it here. Now the closing bracket. If closing bracket comes till we get the opening bracket, you have to pop all the elements from the stack. So I repeat, if closing bracket comes till we get the opening bracket, you have to pop all the elements from the stack, and also no need to push closing bracket. So if closing bracket comes, then till we get the opening bracket, pop all the elements. So pop plus here. Now pop the opening bracket, but no need to write it to the output string. Now it comes into then opening bracket. So just push it, no need to check priority. Then C is operand. Then minus. If minus comes, because the stack top element is opening bracket, no need to check the priority, just push. Then D is operand, so write it here. Now the closing bracket comes. If closing bracket comes, till we get the opening bracket, you have to pop all the element from the stack. If closing bracket comes, till we get the opening bracket, you have to pop all the elements. So minus is there. Pop minus, then this bracket, opening bracket, will be popped, but no need to print it. Now you have to pop all the element from the stack. So only remaining element is this star. You have to print this star. So this is the required postfix expression of the given infix expression. Now it's time to practice. Let's start practicing. See, say this is our required expression. It is infix expression. You have to convert it corresponding to its postfix expression using stack. So this is our stack. This is our stack, and this is our output string, that is the postfix string. Now start scanning from the left hand side. First it comes A. A is operand or operator? It is operand, so A goes here. Then by is operator, so by is here. Then B is operand, so B is here. Then comes plus. Now check. Incoming operator is plus, this plus, and stack top element is by. So which has greater priority, this by or this plus? Plus has less priority than the by. So you have to pop by comes here, and we have to push plus here. Now it comes bracket, means left parenthesis. If it is left parenthesis, just push. Then C. C is operand, so C is here. Then it is multiplication into. Into means if it is left parenthesis, then no need to check the priority, just push into here. Next D. D is here. D is operand, so D is here. Now closing bracket. When closing bracket comes, then till we get the opening bracket, you have to pop all the element from the stack. So pop into and print it. And also pop this opening bracket, but no need to print the opening bracket. Now it comes plus. Now compare plus with plus, same priority. Same priority means incoming operator priority is same with the stack top element. Then first pop this plus here, then write this plus here. So first pop this plus here, then write this plus here. Then comes E, so write E here. Now you have to pop all the element from the stack. So only the remaining element is plus. So just write plus here. Now your stack is empty. So the given input string is this, and the corresponding postfix string is this. So this is the result. Now you have to solve this problem or practice this problem in your copy and answer me in the comment section what is the corresponding postfix string. But please don't do it manually. Do it using stack. Now we will learn algorithm for infix to postfix. We already discussed how to convert infix to postfix using stack. So what is the algorithm behind that? First, we have to take an input string, that is the infix string. Scan the expression, that is the infix expression, from left to right. During scanning, if you found an operand, insert it to the postfix string, that is the output string, and continue scanning. If you found an operator or left parenthesis having a higher precedence over the stack top element, then push the operator or parenthesis on the stack and continue scanning. If it is a right parenthesis, pop the stack top element until left parenthesis encountered. Then discard the left parenthesis, means pop the left parenthesis but discard it and continue scanning. If you found an operator or left parenthesis having a lower or equal precedence over the stacked top element, then pop the stacked top element and insert it onto the postfix string or output string and continue scanning. When the end of the string reached, pop out all the elements from the stack and insert them into the postfix string. Finally, you have to print the output string. Now we will learn how to convert infix expression corresponding to its prefix expression using stack. We already learned how to convert infix to prefix expression manually in our previous video. Today we will learn how to convert infix to prefix using stack. So what is infix expression and what is prefix expression? So infix expression is A plus B, means in between two operand there is one operator. A, B, two operand and there is one operator plus. But in case of prefix, it is plus A, B, means operator is at the first position. So, infix expression, it is given that infix expression is given and you have to convert corresponding to its prefix expression. So, see, this is an infix expression. In between two operand, there is one operator. You have to convert it corresponding to its prefix expression. For this conversion, you have to take one stack and one character array. That is one string. Now, if it is operand, then you have to write it onto the output string, and if it is operator, you have to push it onto the stack. The difference between postfix and prefix conversion of postfix and prefix is that in case of postfix you have to scan from the left hand side, but in case of prefix you have to scan from the right hand side. So here, because it is prefix, we have to scan from the right hand side. Start scanning from the right hand side. The first it comes B. So B is operand or operator? It is operand. So we write it here on the output string. Then plus, you have to push plus here, plus is operator. Then A, write A in the output string. Then minus. If minus comes, see the rule, if you found an operator having lower precedence over the stacked top element, then only you have to pop. And if you found an operator having an higher or equal precedence, then you have to push. So higher or equal, it is push. But in case of postfix, if it is higher, then only push, otherwise pop. And in this case, if it is lower, then only pop, otherwise push. So if minus comes, minus has equal priority. If it is equal priority, then push. So push minus here. Then D comes. D is operand. So write D here. Then by comes. By has higher priority than minus. So you have to push. Then it is C. C is operand. Write it in the output string. Then into. Into has equal priority. Equal priority means push. Equal priority over the stack top element. So incoming operator priority is equal to the stack top element. So push. Then comes B. B is operand, so write it here. Then comes plus. Plus has lower priority than into. That is, incoming operator priority is lower than the stack top element. So you have to pop into. Then compare plus with by. Plus has lower priority than by. So you have to pop by. Then comes plus with minus. They have equal priority. So push plus here and pop into and by both. So push plus here and pop into and by both. After that, it is A is operand, write A here. Now your task is to pop all the element from the stack. Pop all the remaining element from the stack. So just pop, then minus, and then plus. Now you have to reverse this string. So this is the prefix expression of the given infix expression. So what is the difference in case of conversion from infix to postfix and infix to prefix? In case of conversion of infix to postfix, you have to scan from the left hand side. But in case of conversion of infix to prefix, you have to scan from the right hand side. Number one difference. Number two is, in case of infix to postfix, if the incoming operator priority is greater than the stack top element, then push, otherwise pop. But in case of prefix, if the incoming operator priority is higher or equal, then push, otherwise pop. And after that, when we get the expression in case of prefix, you have to again reverse that string to get the actual prefix string. Now it's time to practice. See, if the given expression is this, infix expression is this, you have to convert this expression corresponding to its prefix expression using stack. Okay, but see the expression, this expression contains parenthesis. So how you can handle these parentheses? So we already learned that you have to scan from the right hand side in case of prefix expression. So first, closing bracket. So it is operator. So push it onto the stack. Then D operand, write it here. Then minus. If it is minus and if the stack top element is the bracket, means the parenthesis, so no need to check the priority. So just write minus here. Now C is operand, so write it here. Now comes the opening bracket. When we get the opening bracket, till we get the closing bracket, you have to pop all the element from the stack. So pop minus, write minus here, and pop the closing bracket, but no need to write closing bracket on the output string. Now it comes into, so write into here. Now the closing bracket. So if it is bracket, no need to check the priority, just write it here. Now B means it is operand, so B is here. Now it comes plus. If it is the closing bracket, no need to check the priority, just write plus here. Now A is operand, write it here. Now the opening bracket. When it is opening bracket, then till we get the closing bracket, you have to pop all the element from the stack. So pop this plus, pop the opening bracket, but no need to write it here. And then pop all the element from the stack. Okay, pop all the remaining element from the stack. So into. Now this is our output, but reverse this string. Just write first into, then plus, then plus, then A, then B, then minus, then C, then then B, then minus, then C, then D. So revert this string into, then plus, then A, then B, then minus, then C, then D. So this is our result. Okay, corresponding, this is our result of this infix expression corresponding prefix expression, corresponding prefix expression is this. So this is your homework. Try to convert this expression, infix expression, into their equivalent prefix form using stack and write it in the comment section what is the result. But please don't do it manually. Try to practice it with stack. Now we will learn required algorithm for conversion of infix to prefix using stack. So first take input an infix string, that is input string is an infix string. Scan the expression from right to left. During scanning, if you found an operand, insert it to the prefix string and continue scanning. If you found an operator or right parenthesis having a higher or equal precedence over the stack top element, then push the operator or parenthesis on the stack and continue scanning. If it is a left parenthesis, pop the stack top element until right parenthesis encountered. Discard the right parenthesis and continue scanning. If you found an operator or right parenthesis having a lower precedence over the stack top element, then pop the stack top element and insert it into the prefix string and continue scanning. When the end of string reached, pop out all the elements from the stack and insert them into the prefix string. Finally, print the string from the right to left. Now, try to solve this problem in your copy. Convert the following infix expression into their equivalent postfix and prefix form using stack. Pause this video, try to solve this problem in your copy, and then this is your answer. Check your answer. Now we will learn programming for infix to postfix expression using stack. So see the code. Now see, first I define one macro size. The expansion is 50. That is the size of our stack defined by the macro. It is 50. Now I declare one character array for stack, and the size is 50. When the stack is empty, top is -1. So I have to initialize top as -1. Top is an integer variable. Next, this is push function. Passing the character which you want to push. Here I want to push the character ELEM element. Now, in case of push, first you have to increase the top, then insert the element. We already learned this thing. So here I use the prefix operator plus plus top. First increase the top, then insert the element. In case of pop, first you have to return the popped element, then decrease the top. So return type is character, okay, and I have to return that particular item from the stack where top points, okay. So S top, then decrease top. So this is pop operation. For checking priority, here we use this function PR. I pass the element whose priority we want to check. Here we use switch case control structure. Switch element, then if the element is hash, then it returns 0. So the return type is integer. If the element is opening bracket, then returns 1. Because plus and minus has same priority, both have same priority, so it returns 2 in case of plus or minus, and if it is into or by, then it returns 3. So return type is integer, and here we use switch case control statement. Now the main function. In the main function there are two character array. One is INFX50 and another is POFX50. INFX 50 is for input string, that is for infix expression, and POFX 50 is postfix string, that is the output string. Okay, and I also initialize the value of I and k as 0. They are both integer. Now take the infix expression from the user, read the infix string and store it to this character array INFX. Now when our stack is empty, first you have to push hash symbol. So when we pop elements from the stack, when hash will be popped, then we can say that our stack is empty. So when our stack is empty, initially you have to push hash symbol, and when hash will be popped, then we can say our stack is empty now. Now till the end of the infix string, I have to scan the total infix string. Now see, till the end means when we get /0, then the end of the input string. We get /0, then we can say we reached the end of the input string. Now scan each character and store that character to the variable ch. Ch is a character type variable. And start from the left hand side. Initially I is 0. So start from starting character. So I start one while loop till we get the end of the input string. Scan each character and store that character to the variable ch. Okay, and then I plus plus means read the next character. Now, if it is opening bracket, then no need to check the priority, just push. So, push that character. Okay. Else, this function, this library function isALNum checks whether a character is alphabet or a number. So, if the character is alphabet or a number, then you have to add it to the output string or the postfix string. So, you have to add this character to the output string. So, postfix and add the character ch there. Now, k is initialized to 0. So, first add the character, then increase k for adding the next character. So, I repeat, if the character is number or alphabet, then just check if it is true, then add the character or number to the output string and then increase k. K starts from 0 and then increase k. Else, if it is closing bracket, if the value of ch is closing bracket, till we get the opening bracket, you have to pop all the element from the stack and write it to the output string or postfix string. So, till we get the opening bracket, while s dot top not equals to opening bracket, you have to pop all the element and write it to the postfix string. And obviously, you have to increase k for writing the next character. Okay. After that, there is this opening bracket is there. So, you have to pop the opening bracket, but no need to add it to the postfix string. Then just pop the opening bracket, don't add it to the postfix string. Otherwise, else check the priority of the stack top element with the incoming character. Means priority of the stack top element with the incoming character. If the incoming character priority is less, then you have to pop. So, here you have to write while PRS top greater than equals to PRCH. The priority of the incoming character, it is priority of the stack top element. If the priority is less, then you have to pop and write it to the output string. And then after that, you have to push the incoming character. So, push CH. Now, after scanning the input string, our task is pop all the operator from the stack. Okay. So, till we get hash, I have to pop all the operator from the stack. So, while is top not equal to hash, when hash is popped, then we can say our stack is empty. I start one while loop while a stop not equals to hash, pop and write it to the postfix string. In this way, this while loop continue. After that, last task is to make it a string by writing /0. Make it a string by writing /0 at the end of the string. So, this is our postfix string. Now, you have to print the given postfix string here. So, when we run the program, we can get the output. So read the infix string. Say our infix string is $2 into 3 minus 3 plus 8 by 4 by within bracket 1 plus 1. So this is our infix expression. So output is infix expression is this, corresponding postfix expression is this. So in this way you have to execute this problem from infix to postfix. In this way you have to write this program from infix to postfix. Now your task is to try to write the program from infix to prefix by your own. Now this is your programming assignment. First try to write a program to convert infix expression corresponding to its postfix expression using stack. We already learned in this video how to write this program. First write this program and execute this program. Now change this program a little bit and try to write the second one also. Write a program to convert infix expression corresponding to its prefix expression using stack. So these are your homework. Try to solve this problem and answer me in the comment section what is the correct option. Pause this video, try to answer this problem and answer me in the comment section what is the correct option. I am waiting for your reply. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.